Today we are going to discuss about hormones in plants. Hormones in plants are also known as phytohormones. What are actually hormones? Hormones are the chemicals which are secreted by plants which help in control and coordination of the plants. They also help in growth of the plants. Now there are different types of plant hormones: auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid, and the fifth one is ethylene. Let us discuss each one. First one is auxin. Auxin is a growth hormone, and auxin is present at the tip of the shoot of the plant. If I draw here a simple figure, this is the shoot and this is the root. Now auxin is present at the tip of the shoot. You know that new leaves, they always come out at the tip of the shoot. And auxin, it is present at the tip of the shoot and it helps the stem to grow longer. Therefore auxin is a growth hormone. And auxin, it also promotes phototropism. How it promotes phototropism? Whenever auxin detects light, suppose light is coming or sunlight is coming from one side of the plant. Now we know that auxin is present at the tip of the shoot. When auxin detects light from one side, auxin will diffuse to the shady side of the plant here. This side light is coming, this side is the shady side of the plant. The auxin will diffuse to the shady side of the plant. Now what will happen? As auxin comes to the shady side of the plant, the concentration of auxin is more here. This will stimulate the cells to grow longer on this side. So what will happen? Now cells, as they will not grow straight, more cells will grow here and the less cells will grow here. So what will happen? This will cause the stem to bend towards the sunlight. In this way, auxin promotes phototropism. Secondly, auxin also helps the tendrils to grow around the support. You must have seen that the tendrils in pea plant, they twine around some support. Now suppose here there is a pea plant and its tendrils, they come in contact of this support. What will happen? The tendrils, they will twine or they will cling to the support and grow further. Now these tendrils, the part of the tendril which comes in contact, that part does not grow as rapidly as the part of the tendril which is away from the object. Why? Because this free part of the tendril contains auxin. And that free part, it grows faster than the part of the tendril which comes in contact of the support. This will help the tendril to climb upon the support or cling to the support. This is all about auxin. The next hormone is gibberellin. Now gibberellin, it is also a growth hormone, and gibberellin is present at the internodes. Suppose this is one leaf, this is another leaf, in between there are internodes. Gibberellin is present in this internodes region and it also helps to increase the length of the stem. Then next one is cytokinin. Cytokinin is present in the regions of cell division where there is rapid cell division, like in the fruits and seeds. You know that fruits, first they are small and then they need to grow larger. So cytokinin is present in the fruits where rapid cell division is required, and it is also present in the seeds. Seeds also needs that a new plant or a new seedling grows from the seed. So at that time cytokinin is required. The next is abscisic acid. Now actually these three hormones, auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin, they are known as growth hormones. They promote the growth of the plant. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor. Every plant, it needs a signal that now the growth should stop. So abscisic acid is secreted in the plants which stops the growth of the plant or inhibits the growth of the plant. Now abscisic acid, when it is secreted, you will see some effects of abscisic acid, that is the wilting of leaves, drying of leaves, leaves that dry off and wither off, they fall down. This is the effect of abscisic acid. So it is called a growth inhibitor. Ethylene, last one is ethylene. Ethylene is not there in the textbook, but yet we will discuss this. Ethylene is a hormone which helps in the ripening of the fruits. Ripening means, you know, that when a fruit is small, it is raw. That we can say that it is kacha aam, we can say, like kacha mango. That kacha mango, it is raw in taste, or it is sour in taste. But when ethylene is secreted inside it, it will become ripened and it will become sweet in taste. So this is the effect of ethylene. These are the plant hormones or phytohormones which help in control and coordination in the plants.